Air Canada Center, it's now time for the Raptors dance contest, so please welcome to center court the Raptor and our three lucky contestants. Listen up, all three of you are going to show us your best moves for a Raptors prize pack, but that's not it, because the three of you are representing three different sections here in the ACC, section 323, 102, and 318, and someone from one of these sections is going to be going home big. So contestant number one, representing 323, get to center court and let's see your best moves. Hit it. Okay. There's effort there. Keep going. Fans, what do you think? Let's go to contestant number two, representing section 102. Play the track. Here you go. There we go, busting it. What? Very good, fans, what do you think? Now for our final contestant representing section 318, hit it. What? That's how you bring it. No contest! You are a winner, but that's not all, because listen up, 318. If you're at 318, I need you to get on your feet and make some noise, because someone is going home big. Come on, 318.